Hollywood Studios. We've got to book it. We're boarding past 3 and we're a little late.
Is everyone assembled? Good. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. You are clear for launch.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? What in the Star Destroyers? They can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
Who guide you? Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
I don't have children! The children aren't here!
Tell them it's...
Stop! The prisoners have escaped!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. The location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Ride's so amazing. So good, so good, so good. And I didn't lose my sunglasses this time, so that's a win. Where to next?
Ronto wrap.
You heard her. Ronto wraps.
Delicious slaw, so good. And the booze. I mean, look at that combo.
Hunk of junk in the galaxy. Is that what they say about it?
I think so.
Star Wars things.
Fire the harpoon! Excellent, now gunners! Shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, ready? Good work! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We did not die! Let's get out of here! Retreat 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. First order and made Chewie proud.
We're just going to make our way through Toy Story Land.
Infinity and beyond.
Starting with alien swirling saucers. Here we go. ride you say you were riding next?
My new favorite ride is called the restrooms.
They're good restrooms. You get to be in the back this time.
Hang on to your springs and coils, cause this here coaster is the wildest ride in...
Butt kicked.
We've ridden pretty much everything except our favorite ride, so I think we're going to head to Tower of Terror next. Had a quick pit stop for an adult beverage and some popcorn and ready to head to the Twilight Zone.
Por favor, vigile a sus niños. Gracias.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and entered a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time it's opening for you in the Tower of Terror.
Creepiest things I've ever seen. We may have missed breakfast, but it's never too late to have a breakfast beer. Isn't that right?
It's always a good decision.
Vitamin C. A health nut. 3 o'clock. Since people can park up at 2, I'm going to blame that for the incredible boom in people over here in Galaxy Bay.
Drinks to get.
We have a reservation at Oga's. Part the fees. Girl needs some cocktails.
such a good wife.
But as it turns out, you can pay the $45 price of the Yub Nub and get the Cliff Dweller mug with any alcoholic drink that you want. And you just get the porg mug when you leave. How about that? How's your first slug slinger?
So good. It's strong, which is a plus in my book. I like to taste my booze, so if you don't like to taste your booze, do not get this. If you like booze, it's a win.
And it has a plant in it.
So like it's good for you because it's got green.
Healthy. Plants. Healthy.
It's basically like a celery juice because it's so healthy. It's the genie or something.
Does everyone have a favorite Oga song? Because Sarah does. And this is it. This song sounds like View to a Kill. Doesn't it? The Duran Duran James Bond song? View to a Kill.
Okay, we're gonna get this back up and running. Alright, well maybe you know how to get the hyperdrive. Anyone out there know how to fix that hyperdrive? Just hit it. Hit it. Hit it.
You are a Batuian hero.
I saved the day. People would have had to leave and not drink.
The hero we didn't know we needed.
I'm DJ Rex. This may be your first time here.
Now you can get the Cliff Dweller, the drink that comes in the porg mug, for $35 and just be done with it. But given that you have a 2-drink maximum at Oga's Cantina, and right now reservations can be kind of hard to come by, it would be a bummer to use one of your 2 allotted drinks on what is basically juice and ginger ale. What you can do instead is tell the cast member at Oga's that you want to pay for the alcoholic mug drink, which is the Yub Nub, and get the porg mug instead. And if you do it that way, you can get your porg mug all wrapped up, ready for you when you leave, but instead of having to get the juice and ginger ale drink, you can have whatever cocktail beverage you want off the Oga's menu.
Very interested in that data pad. I'd like to know what you're doing with it. What are you doing with that data pad?
Cargo ship approaching Black Spire. Prepare for boarding.
We'll allow it, but we're watching.
My dream job is to be a stormtrooper.
She's the right height and everything.
I'm the right height.
Your support to the First Order. Clearly, you like a challenge. We respect that. Carry on.
I have the right temperament and the figure to be a stormtrooper. Squeezed a lot in. I'd say it was a successful day. How was your day?
It was so much fun. It was a good day.
Hollywood Studios is always fun. This is my favorite park. I don't care what anybody says. This is not a half-day park.
Who's half day? No way.
Spend your day here. You won't regret it. It's been a most gratifying day.